after 4 persons tested positive in Guwahati, a green zone, including the people testing positive included a junior doctor at a post-graduation medical college, the busy Guwahati Medical College Hospital, which is also a COVID hospital and has a cancer ward, has now been closed for patients till 10th of May for deep sanitization. Health Department sources have indicated that both the medical college and the Cancer Research Institute might be declared as containment zones. My colleague Ratnadeep Chaudhary brings us this report.
Although Guwahati is a green zone, however, more cases of COVID-19 positive are being reported from different parts of Guwahati. You can see behind me, since Guwahati is a green zone, so economic activities and normal activities, most of the normal activities are open in Guwahati, but health authorities have issued an alert for 2 major health facilities in Guwahati, the Guwahati Medical College Hospital, which is the busiest medical college in the northeast. It also has a COVID-19 ward, which has treated patients successfully. The Guwahati Medical College Hospital now has been shut down temporarily for patients. However, the patients who are admitted would be treated because one of the junior doctors working there has tested positive. He was also part of the screening of patients for COVID-19, and that's exactly why, in fact, all the medical staffs of Guwahati Medical College would undergo COVID screening, and that process is on. In fact, its hostels have been declared into containment zone. We are coming to you from outside another premier medical institute of Northeast India. This is the B. Borua Cancer Institute. It is the most premier cancer treatment facility that Northeast India has. It gets patients all across Northeast. In fact, on a normal day, it gets about 300 patients, but now, due to lockdown, it was getting about 100 patients a day. In fact, at this moment, as we speak, there are 70 patients who are admitted, but this facility, this major cancer treatment facility, has now been shut down because it has been declared as a containment area since one girl who used to stay in the campus of this institute, she died, and after her death, because of suspicion, a swab test was taken from her dead body and it tested positive. Now this girl is a granddaughter of a cleaner of B. Borua Cancer Institute. Now she was not a permanent resident of this campus, but after she fell ill, she had come and stayed with her grandmother, but her grandmother did not inform the authorities until she died. But after the death took place, because of suspicion, actually, authorities were alerted, and her last rites, however, have taken place under COVID protocol. But now this premier institute has been declared as a containment area, and a screening of all the people inside, including doctors, patients, is taking place, as well as the family of that girl who died is being quarantined, and their tests have also taken place. So